What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we gotta go over Shiba Inu and baby Shiba Inu. We got some big news today, so let's go over that. And first things first, I haven't done a technical analysis in a while, but I see this pattern forming up right here, so I'm gonna let you guys know we are inside of a consolidation period right now. So hopefully this ends inside of us, jumping up to the next level inside Shiba Inu. So hopefully we do end up, breaking out of this and going up. But anyways, I can't tell you whether or not we're going to break out of this or go down because things have been going so crazy. And after this last consolidation period, you can see we actually broke out of it and went down a negative trend line. So, I don't want to make any false predictions. So I'm just going to say, we are in consolidation, and that is big right here. And also, we have bottomed out 3 times. That was a triple bottom that we have seen here. So that was the first one, the second one is here, and then the third one is here. So what I mean by that, we hit the support line 3 times. We bottomed out 3 times and hit that support line. So that is a very big statement right there. It's kind of a bullish statement, but honestly, we could have one more bear cycle before the bull cycle. But anyways, it is pretty bullish. So honestly, I think 3 times of hitting the support line, and we never went below it. That's pretty strong. That's some pretty strong support there. And yes, we also do have some strong resistance right here. We can't get past this area, but honestly, I want to see it get past it so we can knock off one of these zeros. We need to knock off one of these digits in Shiba Inu because that's just something we need to do. Because look, we're at rank 39 now. Like, that's terrible. Rank 39. We used to be rank 27 inside of Shiba Inu, and now we're rank 39. So that is terrible. That's like more than 10 digits down. So honestly, we need this. We're down 2.41% for the last 24 hours, down 5.35% inside the last 7 days, which isn't too bad for the last 7 days because we did, kind of gain some more price back in Shiba Inu, and we have been really, really stable. So that's one good thing that's been going on, like really stable, not wanting to go too low at Shiba Inu. But yeah, Shiba Inu's been doing all right. I mean, we need to be doing better than all right, but it's good that we're not just going down 10%, 20% every day. Like that was terrible. But anyways, it's some more good news for Shiba Inu. 598,000 people are holding Shiba Inu now, nearly 600,000 people holding it. So that's going to be a very big milestone for Shiba Inu. And yes, the total holders are up 0.19% for the last day. And yesterday we had 597,000. Now we have 598,000 people in Shiba Inu. And then by tomorrow, I'm hoping we get to 600k. I'll let you guys know as soon as we get up there. But yeah, by tomorrow we should have 600k people here. And anyways, this is the Etherscan. If not many of you know about that, if you don't know, it's the etherscan.io, and then you can look up Shiba Inu and you will find it here. Make sure you go to the right one because there are fake Shiba Inus out there. You don't want to buy into a fake Shiba Inu. All right, so yeah, don't get scammed. But look, 598,901. You refresh this, 598,922. So a lot of people are getting in on Shiba Inu right here. A whole 21 people within this whole 5 minutes of us making this video. 21 people. That is a big statement right there. So without further ado, we got a question that we have to ask today. So, will Shiba Inu fail or will it prevail? I believe it will prevail, but we're gonna have to have some time, honestly. But anyways, let's read about the state of Shiba Inu, because per coin market cap, Shiba Inu has lost 83% of its value since all-time high in May, and pretty much everything lost a lot of value since May. So you can't just only say Shiba Inu lost all the value, because everything has. But anyways, could Shiba Inu defeat Dogecoin? Let's be honest, we can defeat Dogecoin inside of price action, but not in price. But inside of the gains, we can definitely defeat Dogecoin in that. But this is not a competition at all. Like 100% not a competition. So anyways, will Shiba Inu token fail? This is the main question people want to ask, and they actually said something pretty smart about this. It's something that everyone needs to remember with Shiba Inu, right? So the Shiba Inu token community is vibrant and dedicated to the coin, which is true. The Shiba army is very dedicated to Shiba Inu, but the coin has to last long term, and it's hard to do that when much of its value is tied to social media hype. Now, that part right there is not 100% true, because remember, Shiba Swap is now out. So if Shiba Swap goes well and a lot of liquidity continues to get locked in Shiba Swap, and Shiba Swap continues to grow, Shiba Inu will do well. Bone continues to grow, Shiba Inu continues to do well. Leash continues to grow, Shiba Inu continues to do well. So it's not only based on social media hype. So that is a good thing that we have about Shiba Inu. People will tell you that it's based on Shiba Inu hype, like this article here, but this is just FUD. It's fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and they do it for clicks, they do it for numbers. I do not believe Shiba Swap will fail. Like, Shiba Swap is going to be like how MetaMask is, how It's just how all these different things, all these different decentralized exchanges are coming up. Like, decentralized is the future. Now, whether or not the government will allow decentralized to be the top thing in the world, that's another argument, right? But right now we are growing inside the DeFi space, and I think Shiba Swap will be like one of the leaders. So I definitely think Shiba Inu is going to prevail and not fail. So that's just my personal opinion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. So definitely don't, take my advice word for word. Do your own due diligence. Anyways, so the Shiba Inu price forecast. So Sheep has a lot to prove before Bulls ambitions and can dominate, right? Before Bulls ambitions can dominate. So the Bulls here, I really do think this is a bullish statement. I mean, look, 3 times that we bottomed out. 1, 2, 3. We did a triple bottom out here. And I'm not the only person talking about this. Even they are talking about this. I really do believe that this is going to lead to some bullish stuff, but we're gonna have to see. All right. So anyways, Shiba Inu price is holding steadfast at the May 19th low of 0.0000607. So yeah, we've been at the same amount for a few months now. So that's what I'm saying. We've bounced off 3 times so far. So yeah, this is kind of getting sticky here. Anyways, the Sheep 50-day simple moving average imposes strict resistance if there is a bid renewal. So a minor descending parallel channel forming on the 6-hour chart projects an 11% from the breakout. So anyways, we have bottomed out 3 times, and this next article here will kind of explain the whole triple bottom out that we have. So anyways, the potential triple bottom that we have here. So Sheep price rises nearly 20% the last 24 hours, which this was a few days ago anyway. So the Sheep price has potentially formed a triple bottom, which is actually found to be true now. As you can see, that 1 bottom there, that 2 bottom there, and that 3 bottom there. It was the same exact support line for those 3 times that we hit there. So it has bottomed out 3 times. So Sheep continues to reject off the 50 moving average, the 50-day moving average. So honestly, we do have some potential here. We just have to kind of watch out and be careful. And they're kind of depicting it right here. As you can see, they're showing the triple bottom out that I was talking about. 1, 2, 3, and then you can see the whole descending channel that they're talking about right here. All this right here, as we broke out of this consolidation way back here, we were going down there on that descending channel. So there's the long-term trend, which was on the top right here, going down here, boom, all the way down. That's the long-term trend line. And then you have down here the 50-day moving average, the 50-day moving average acting as the resistance, which would be right up around here. So anyways, this is just a little technical on Sheep. I'm kind of putting their technical analysis along with my technical analysis, and kind of mixing them both. But yeah, we're both on the right path right here. But honestly, let me know in the comment sections if you think that we're gonna break out of this consolidation for the positive on a uptrend, or if you think we're gonna continue on the long term or on this descending channel here. So honestly, I hope we don't continue to go down, but what it's looking like right now, this third right here, this third bottom out that we have right here, this could actually depend on whether or not we're going to go up or not. It's going to depend on that. And honestly, I do believe we can go up inside the long run, and that's long run. I'm not saying short term, because obviously in the short term there's a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt inside of the market for the crypto area, right? So let's go on to Baby Shiba Inu, because Baby Shiba Inu has some big news and actually a big announcement that they did today. So the first thing is this whole billboard that they're doing. They put a billboard out there by the SpaceX facility. I think that's the SpaceX facility. Yeah, that's SpaceX facility. They put a little Shiba Inu thing up there. But anyways, this is gonna bring a lot of eyes to Shiba Inu. Just watch out. It's going to bring a lot of eyes to Shiba Inu. And then the second Baby Shiba Inu announcement that we have is this CoinMarketCap listing. So it's finally on CoinMarketCap. Just imagine how many people use CoinMarketCap, and now they can see Baby Shiba Inu on here. So that's pretty good news that they did that. And on top of that, 2,000 people are already watching it. So good news for Baby Shiba Inu here. Let's go over here to the Baby Shiba Inu chart. As you can see, we just now had a jump inside of Baby Shiba Inu. So that was some good news right there. And honestly, Baby Shiba Inu does have some potential. We just have to continue to get more people onto the Baby Shiba Inu wave, because we only have 29,000 people holding now, and we kind of been around the same area for a little while, but we've been growing slowly and slowly and slowly. So hopefully we can get up to 50,000 people within the next week or something. I mean, that's going to be pretty hard to do with 50,000 people and then eventually 100,000. And just as fast as baby Dogecoin rose, Shiba Inu could do the same thing. Or, I mean, baby Shiba Inu could do the same thing. So anything could have really happened right now, right? So anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. And this is going to be a little bit of short video, because I didn't have as much to go over. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this whole Shiba Inu thing. Let me know if you guys think that Shiba Inu is going to break out, because honestly, I'm not too sure. That's why I can't speak too much on it. I don't want to give you guys false information, because I don't know whether or not it's going to go on a bull run or a bear market after this, right? It could go either way, because we've already bottomed out 3 times, so we couldn't pass that resistance 3 times, and we never went below our support 3 times. So that's pretty fishy right there. We don't know what's gonna happen next. This next time we have a little bull market, we might be able to go higher, but as you can see, the consolidation is getting lower and lower. So hopefully we do not break out on this negative downtrend. Hopefully, I pray we don't break out on this negative downtrend, because if we do, remember, everything's following Bitcoin really. So if it does, it's only going to be because Bitcoin did it. And looking at Bitcoin is doing all right now though. $34,000. It's been going up a lot inside the last 7 days. So yeah, Bitcoin has been doing pretty good, and went all the way from $29,000 from the 20th all the way up to where it's at now at $34,000, almost at $35,000. So that's huge right there. Hopefully Bitcoin can break $40,000, and then eventually Shiba Inu and baby Shiba Inu will continue to go on the uptrend following Bitcoin. But yep, this is all I have for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, check out the link in the description for a free stock with the Robinhood and Webull, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.